Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Just messing around here in the garage. It is time for an oil change. It took forever to find these oil filters. FL 2087. These things are like gold. So whatever the backup is, I was able to find two. So I got one on the shelf, gonna use one now. So these things are so difficult to get. I don't know what the backup is. So found it, got my 5W50 Motorcraft full synthetic motor oil. We're gonna use that. We're gonna get the Shelby started up, get that oil warmed up, and get it up on the quick jacks. Alright, got the quick jacks in place. Now we're going to go ahead and hook up the hoses to the pump, get it raised up. Got her up, got her warmed up, so I'm going to shut her off. Got her off, we'll let the oil drop back down into the pan, change her up. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this tire, make it easier to get to the oil filter. Make it a whole lot easier. We'll be able to get to the oil filter just up in this area here. Just makes it that much easier to get to it. I'll release that and let the oil out. See how it goes. And hopefully won't make a big mess. Go ahead and undo the cap. All right, we'll go ahead and put this oil pan plug back in. Down, and then go ahead and twist it back in till it seats. Don't take much. You know, some people don't like it, but you know what? It's convenient. Just seats right in there. The ears go right into those little indents. And wipe off whatever you got on there. We're going to replace these two gaskets with what comes in the kit. Wipe down the threads. Place the oil filter back in the canister. like so. Go ahead and get this canister back in there. Pull this flex funnel back out. Wipe it off. Just thread it back in there. Just going to get it until it's snug, and then torque it down to 19 foot-pounds. That's it. Not much. So once you got her all buttoned up, go ahead and fill her up with 10 quarts 5W50 Motorcraft full synthetic. All right, we've got 10 quarts in her, everything buttoned up. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up. There you go. Sounding good. Sounding good, looking good. So, something to do today. Oil change. Get her up on the quick jacks. All in a day's work. All right, that's going to be it for today. Everything's buttoned up, put away. Quick jacks make it a little easier to get around and get the car up and get under it. So happy I picked them up. Just want to thank everyone for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And until next time, take care.